Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing my Instagram followers choose my nails. I recently put up a bunch of polls on my Instagram story asking you guys different options for my nails. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing my nails based off of what you guys chose in those Instagram polls. Go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe if you are new. I would love to have you. Also, make sure your post notifications are turned on so you are notified every time I upload a video. Okay guys, I already glued on my fake nails off camera. And I used the Ardell nail glue to do that. The first thing I asked was if my nails should be long or short. And 43% said long and 57% said short, so I'm going to be doing short nails. I am going to be using these nail clippers I got from Sally's Beauty. I really like these, especially with trimming long fake nails. These clippers make it super easy. And as you guys can see, I'm going to be cutting a good portion of these nails off for shorter nails. I'm going to be focusing on trimming all my nails to the same length. Next, I asked about the nail shape. 76% said coffin and 24% said square, so I'm going to be doing some coffin-shaped nails. I am going to be taking a file and I'm going to start by shaping the top of the nail, and then I'm going to be focusing on filing down the whole nail to make it smooth. So when I'm applying product, it goes on very smooth and no bumps. And then I'm going to start taking my file and shaping these sides. I'm going to be shaping them for a coffin shape, so I'm going to have the file tilted and really focusing on making that a coffin shape. If you guys are interested in learning more or wanting me to do a tutorial on shaping your nails, comment down below. And here is the final nail shape I'm going to be going with. Now I'm just going to be shaping the rest of my nails the same way. Okay guys, here are all the nails after shaping them. Moving on, I asked if I should use the Kiss Dip Kit or the Kiss Acrylic Kit. 67% said dip and 33% said acrylic. I'm actually really happy about this because I really love doing dip nails. It's super fast and easy. I'm going to be taking the Kiss Brush On Gel and I'm going to be painting my whole nail with that. And then I'm going to be dipping it into the powder. I'm not going to be going too in depth with how to do dip nails. That's just not what this video is about. But I do have a whole video on the Kiss nail dipping kit and all about how to dip your nails. I will link that video in the description of this video if you're interested. Next, I asked about the color, basic color or multiple color. 45% said basic and 55% chose multiple. So I'm going to be doing one fingernail different from the rest. Next, I asked if I should do that one nail glitter or a cat eye nail. 54% said glitter and 46% said cat eye, so glitter it is. And I'm going to be using the Kiss Dip Glitter for that, since you guys voted for dip nails. This is my first time using the Kiss dipping glitter, and I really like it. It's definitely very sparkly, especially after a couple times dipping it. I also asked if I should add rhinestones. 43% said yes and 57% said no, and I'm sad about this, but moving on. I also asked if I should do nail art designs, and 41% said yes, but 59% said no. I also asked you guys about colors, and a lot of people said a light pinkish nude color, so that is what I went with. And here's what my final nails look like. Alright guys, that is all I have for you in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun doing it, so I definitely do want to do more videos like this in the future. So if you want to participate in those videos in the future, make sure you are following my Instagram. I have the link for my Instagram down in the description of this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.